Hey guys, well, we're not getting snow so far, but we are in the middle of an ice storm. As you can see on my chair here, my lawn chair here. So it's getting pretty good here. It's on my cars, all on my sidewalks, all on the cars, and my windshield. It's been sleeting here for a couple of hours. The Weather Channel says that we're supposed to be getting sleet up until about 6 o'clock tonight. It's 1:30 right now. As you can see, it's all on my porch banisters back here. It's supposed to start turning into freezing rain later on this afternoon. So I hope it's not going to be too bad because I have to go to work. Wow guys, can y'all see this? This was in the last 15 minutes. ABC's General Hospital, brought to you by Osteolife. Get your joints jumping. I have a feeling we're in for a big ice storm here. I don't know if y'all guys can hear this or not. But wow. Wow, this is so pretty. What you're seeing is it's rain. I mean, it is sleeting. All of this is sleet. You can see it's already covered my back porch. Got the little birds out here trying to find some food. My yard is covered in these birds, and if I'm not mistaken, I think these are brown thrashers.
I went and had that amazing shower.
Alright guys, I think we're going to stay in the house and try to stay warm. Ride this ice storm out. So I will be talking to you guys soon. Blessed be.